Mario's Typewriter Edition Super Moxio Bros. Mario, the iconic character of the video game world, appears in an unusual format this time. A creative collaboration between developer Eric Bailey TinyBookshelf and artist Super Moxio Bros. Reinterprets the world one-to-one level of the classic Super Mario Bros. Game with typewriter characters. This unique project is aimed at nostalgia lovers and retro game enthusiasts. Super Moxio Bros. Stays true to the original not only visually, but also gameplay-wise. The most striking feature of Super Moxio Bros. Is that the graphics are entirely composed of typewriter characters. This unique approach reinterprets the classic 8-bit aesthetic with a modern twist. The game recreates iconic elements of the Mario series: bricks, pipes, turtles, and mushrooms with a technique similar to ASCII art.